Be honest. When was the last time you studied for 1 full hour? Without checking your phone? You sit down to study. You open your laptop. 5 minutes later, YouTube, Instagram, messages. Just one scroll. Suddenly, it's 45 minutes gone. And now you feel guilty, behind, stressed. You're not lazy. You're not broken. Your brain is overstimulated. And in the next 7 days, I'm going to show you how to reset it. Not with some extreme monk on a mountain routine, but with a simple dopamine detox made for real students. Let's fix your focus. Here's what nobody tells students. Your brain runs on dopamine. Dopamine isn't pleasure, it's motivation. It's what makes you want to act. But here's the problem. Every time you scroll, every time you binge Netflix, every time you switch apps, you spike dopamine instantly. Your brain gets used to fast rewards. Now compare that to studying. Slow reward, delayed gratification, no flashing lights. So your brain says, no thanks. Let's go back to TikTok. This is why you feel unmotivated. Not because you lack discipline, but because your brain is fried. The solution? Lower the noise. Reset the baseline. That's what this 7-day dopamine detox does. This is not about quitting everything fun. It's about controlling your inputs so your brain can recover. We break this into morning, afternoon, evening, mindset rules. Let's start with the most powerful part. Morning reset. When the first hour. Your first hour decides your focus for the day. If the first thing you do is check your phone, you already lost. Why? Because you spiked dopamine before doing anything productive. So here's the rule for 7 days. No phone for the first 60 minutes after waking up. Put it across the room. Buy a cheap alarm clock if needed. Instead, drink water. Make your bed. Move your body for 5 minutes. Sit with your thoughts. It will feel boring. Good. Boredom is the reset button. When your brain isn't constantly entertained, it slowly becomes sensitive again. After 3 to 4 days, something crazy happens. Studying feels easier. Not fun, but less painful. That's progress. Afternoon focus, controlled dopamine. Now let's talk about study time. You don't need to study 10 hours a day. You need 2 to 4 deep hours. Here's the system. 1. Study in 45-minute blocks. Phone in another room. Not face down. Not silent. Another room. 2. Make it hard to cheat. Use website blockers. Log out of social media. Friction kills bad habits. Science shows willpower is limited. Environment design is powerful. 3. Delay rewards. Tell yourself, after this session, I can scroll for 10 minutes. When dopamine becomes a reward, not a distraction, your brain rewires. And here's something important. Don't multitask. Your brain switches tasks. Every switch drains mental energy. Single tasking is your superpower. Evening reset. Stop killing tomorrow. Most students destroy tomorrow at night. You say, I'll just relax. 3 hours later, reels, videos, random content. Now your brain is overstimulated again. Sleep gets worse. Focus drops. Cycle repeats. So for 7 days, no high dopamine activities 1 hour before bed. That means no intense gaming, no endless scrolling, no binge watching. Instead, light stretching, journaling, planning tomorrow, reading 5 to 10 pages. You're teaching your brain to slow down. Good sleep restores dopamine receptors, and good sleep equals better motivation. Simple. The hard truth about boredom. Day 2 or 3 will feel uncomfortable. You'll feel restless. You'll crave stimulation. That's withdrawal. And it's normal. Your brain is adjusting. Most people quit here. Don't. This discomfort is proof it's working. Remember this line. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to escape. And I get it. Student life is stressful. Deadlines, comparison, pressure from family. Sometimes scrolling feels like the only break. But it's not rest. It's sedation. Real rest restores you. Day by day expectation. Day 1 to 2, hard. Cravings, low mood. Day 3 to 4, slight mental clarity. Less urge to check phone. Day 5 to 6, study sessions feel smoother. Day 7, you feel in control again. Not superhuman, but stable, focused, calm. And that's powerful. What you can do right now, immediate action. Before this video ends, do this. Turn off non-essential notifications. Move social media apps off your home screen. Choose tomorrow's first study task. Commit to no phone for the first hour after waking. Small changes, big impact. The bigger lesson. This detox is not about productivity hacks. It's about identity. Are you someone controlled by impulses? Or someone who controls their environment? You don't need extreme discipline. You need fewer distractions. When dopamine normalizes, motivation comes back naturally. You'll start wanting to improve. And that's the real win. Closing. Listen, you are not lazy. You are overstimulated in a world designed to distract you. And the fact that you're watching this means you want better for yourself. That already puts you ahead. Try this for 7 days. Comment reset if you're starting today. And if this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs focus. Let's build disciplined minds together. See you in the next one.